Welcome to Health Neighborhood. Today we will cover how to stop snoring naturally. Approximately 45% of the American population snores. A snoring person may not awaken the whole world, but surely enough, he can contribute to the alarming numbers of troubled couples. For this reason, snoring could be counted as one of the factors of society disorder. And if snoring alone cannot be resolved, how much more are the wrecked marriages due to partners not sharing a room? It may sound overstated, but it is true that bed partners move out of their room because of the unwanted noise when sleeping. The consequences are not as simple as they may sound. Aside from the effects to the relationships and society, snoring can also be a symptom of a severe disease. Often, this is a sign of the sleeping disorder called obstructive sleep apnea. Apnea disease consumes the person by reducing the flow of oxygen to the brain, by increasing the blood pressure, and worse, it can result to sudden death. Snoring occurs because of the obstruction in the airways. When this happens, the muscles responsible for respiration had to work harder in order to deliver the oxygen to the lungs and the carbon dioxide out of the body. As people age, muscles and tissues in the body deteriorate such that they are easily strained. This defines the proportionality of the age to the severity of snoring. Tensed muscles and jaw decrease the area of the airway, resulting to the annoying sound. If the area is clear, the flow of the air is easy and there would be no sleeping noise such as snoring. So how can snoring be naturally treated? A simple answer but quite complicated action is the solution: reshaping the lifestyle. This is spelled out as proper diet, clean living, avoiding cigarettes, and minimizing the intake of alcohol. Obviously, toxins should be taken out of the body and too much of anything should be avoided. Specifically, excess weight contributes to snoring since the fats accumulated at the back of the mouth serve as hindrance. Thus, a well-nourished diet should be followed to keep your weight within the range of being healthy. In 2 to 3 hours before going to bed, eating should be avoided. Certain fatty foods should be kept away, such as those which enhance mucus production. In effect, these foods can result to severe snoring. Part of the toxins that we put into our bodies as drugs. Medications must be necessary, for they relieve some illnesses, but as much as possible, they must be avoided. Almost every drug leaves side effects to the patient, making him feel not too well at all. Distinctively, sedatives are not advisable because they can worsen or cause snoring. Enough exercise should be a part of every day. It tones the body and amplifies the spirit. Exercise stretches and contracts the muscles, making them flexible. Good sleeping habits should also be established. Sleeping by your side will prevent you from snoring. Also, avoid elevating your head with the use of pillows. Following these steps can heal yourself from snoring and other health-related problems. The only hard part is that it requires so much self-discipline. But once you had started them out, making them a habit is no sweat. A good system of living will not only cure your health troubles, more so, your relationship with others. Thank you for joining us today. Share your comments below. Please subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. We'll see you on the next video.